trading skills. So I'm back again with a new video. So in today's session I'm going to show you all that in upcoming few days we will discuss very important points to understand that why these candlesticks are appearing in the market and what are the main reasons behind their reversals, their continuations, and why they are creating a momentum. So we will discuss each and everything in a very detail, and we will discuss that why they are not going as per our prediction. So it means that there is something which we are missing, and because of that market is getting the reversals where we are thinking that market will go up, and market is going with continuation where we think that market will get a reversal. So we need to understand each and everything, but everything starts from candlestick. So in our first chapter we will discuss the topics. The first one will be candlestick introduction. So in this we will give an overview about candlestick, as we know that each and every one of you know candlesticks very well. So in second topic we will discuss candlestick formation. So why candlesticks are appearing, what is the main reason of their formation. So after that we will discuss that candlestick head and tail. So each and every candlestick always having their head and tail, which is very much important while you take your trade to understand these things. So after that we will discuss that how to read the chart. Chart reading is very much important, because without knowing the main areas of the chart we cannot understand that what will be the next move of the market. So after that we will discuss about trend reading. So trend is our friend, and we will discuss that why trend is going continuously in an up direction and why it is coming down as per the downtrend. So after that we will discuss about higher highs and higher lows. As per higher highs, we know that higher high is the point where market is breaking the previous level, and higher low is known as the retracement zone of any trend. So after that we will discuss about lower lows and lower highs, because lower lows is an indication of a downtrend, where lower highs is the area of retracement of the downtrend, and after that market always start to move down. So after that we will discuss what is the support and what is the resistance, where buyers are entering and where sellers are entering in the market, and we will discuss each and every aspect of their presence. So after that we will learn that how to draw the trend lines and how to see if support and resistance as per the horizontal lines are not working. Then always remember your next support and resistance in a trendy market will always be your trend lines. Okay, so after that in this topic, which is our chapter 1, we will discuss about round numbers. Round numbers are the values where you are getting 0 0 0s. So we will see that how effective they really are. So I want you all to be with me in this journey, because I really want to give you all, and we really need to start from the beginning. Okay, so this is just our chapter 1, I am not announcing our chapter 2 right now, because the first thing we really need to do is we really need to cover these points, and then after getting an understanding of these points we will move to our chapter number 2. So trading skills will try our level best, and I will try my level best to give you all the main information which you really need, and we will discuss each and every point as per the day trader, as per the binary trader, as per the forex trader. Why? Because if we start and see a single minute, I will show you in the future that how, if you are setting your mind as per the forex trader, how it will work and how it will give you a winning trade. So this is for today, and stay blessed you all. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now, and we will continue our journey from now on continuously. I will try my level best to upload each and every topic video continuously, because I really want you all to understand where we are lacking, where we are not getting our desired results. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Take care.